Hey guys, 2020 F150 King Ranch, Star White over Stone Gray. Man, the Covert edition, this is just a tried and true, been around for a long time color combo that works and works and works. And when it's a Covert edition, it just next level works. Hope you guys are doing phenomenal today. We were leveled on 34s, 295, 60-20 Ridge Grappler. Well, we've done some additions to this vehicle. We did the Stone Gray and Star White to match. Emblem up front. Truly love how that turned out. The blue, just nothing wrong with the tried and true classic Ford logo, but the Star White over Stone Gray looks killer. We got an Akins liner in the back, WeatherTechs. Look at this. Oh, that's just money right there. Looks fantastic. Just a clean truck that rides great with a speedometer calibrator to make sure we're within spec too. Gotta love it, guys. Wear Wild Willie's custom accessories at Akins and Winder. All your accessory needs, big to small. You know, this Covert truck, you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get that stance and ride quality that you're looking for. This is our entry-level Covert, and with options like a level kit, tires, maybe do some custom paint, bed cover, bed liner, window tint, wheel well liners. You're all set and fixed up for your everyday driving vehicle. Guys, my name is Neil Shepard. Thanks so much for watching.